The City of Manhattan is set to approve the possible master plan in the fall. Every 10 to 15 years, the city looks at renovating its parks plan. Throughout the development of the master plan, the city has been looking at input and concerns the community has about the park.
For sure, from what we heard from a lot of the public is they didn't want a drive-through through City Park essentially. And the plan kind of addresses that. We do try to minimize that interaction between the vehicles and pedestrians and bicyclists.
If the plan is approved in the fall, the City of Manhattan will be shutting down this road right here, Central Park Road, in order to stop traffic from driving through the park, which will in turn make it safer for children.
If everything in the plan is put through, the grand total of the project is estimated to be about $4.3 million. Currently, the city is working on a privately funded project that is also being used to improve the area in front of the Johnny Call statue.
Yeah, just across the street, Johnny Call, the Johnny Call Plaza, they're looking to improve, create a plaza essentially around Johnny Call, make it a little bit more of an attraction, somewhere people could go and take pictures and such. And so that was a community-driven project.
Look out for changes in the next coming year to the Manhattan City Park. In Manhattan, Alec Madrigal, Channel 8 News.